Hi everyone. Welcome to DevOps Fundamentals with Azure. In this video course, I'm going to teach you how to adopt a DevOps way of working with Azure. Before we get started with DevOps, here's the briefest possible word about me. I'm David Gonzalez, a Google developer expert in Kubernetes who applies DevOps principles every day. I'm going to show you how to bring DevOps to your own work successfully and quickly, and avoiding some of the traps I fell into on my own journey. Following DevOps will revolutionize the way you deploy software. You might have come across slow development cycles due to traditional infrastructure management processes. DevOps reduces the time between committing a change to a system and the change being placed into normal production. This course will show you how to speed up the release cycle of your IT systems. With a set of automation tools, an orchestration platform, and a few processes, you will do more with fewer resources and become more engaged in the business process. With DevOps, you can align resources to maximize delivery potential. Exploring Azure, you'll learn various solution architectures with continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline that push your changes automatically to cloud, allowing you to deliver value faster to your customers. To see the consequences and benefits of running Docker in production, I'll walk you through Docker from the internals to the command line interface to operate a Docker host. You'll learn setup of the latest continuous integration tools in the business, such as Drone CI. Building the infrastructure wouldn't be much of a problem, but in order to provision the software, we'd need something different. For this, I'll show you how to use Ansible to accomplish server provisioning in the DevOps world. This course is meant to plant the seed of a big tree, the culture of DevOps, hoping that you have enough information to keep growing your knowledge of DevOps tools and processes. I hope you'll join me on this course to learn one of the most interesting technologies out there right now.